Hi there, welcome back to Happy Viewz. Today we're diving into a light-hearted topic. Getting over your ex in the most hilarious ways possible. Breakups can be tough, but laughter is the best medicine, right? So, let's have some fun and discover 6 hilarious ways to get over your ex. Let's jump right in. 1. Create a breakup playlist. First things first, let's turn your breakup into a musical masterpiece. Create a breakup playlist filled with empowering and funny songs. Belt out those lyrics, dance like nobody's watching, and let the music help you shake off the breakup blues. 2. Host a breakup party. Who says breakups can't be celebrated? Gather your closest friends for a breakup party. Decorate with "I'm single and loving it" banners, play breakup-themed games, and enjoy the freedom of being unattached. Laughter and good company will lift your spirits. 3. Create an ex voodoo doll, for laughs. Now, we're not promoting any dark magic here, but creating a funny voodoo doll of your ex can provide some comic relief. Use silly materials, like felt or clay, and have a laugh while creating this tongue-in-cheek representation. Remember, it's all in good fun. 4. Write a funny breakup letter. Instead of pouring your heart out in a tear-stained letter, why not take a humorous approach? Write a funny breakup letter to your ex, highlighting all the quirks and funny moments of your relationship. You'll find that laughter can be a powerful way to release pent-up emotions. 5. Embrace a makeover madness. What better way to get over your ex than by treating yourself to a fabulous makeover? Experiment with bold hairstyles, try out quirky fashion trends, and have fun reinventing yourself. Embracing a new look will boost your confidence and show the world you're ready for a fresh start. 6. Laugh your heart out. Laughter truly is the best medicine, so indulge in a laughter therapy session. Watch your favorite comedy movies or stand-up specials, attend a comedy show, or invite friends over for a laughter-filled game night. Surrounding yourself with humor will help you heal. Hopefully you feel much better already. Remember, laughter has a way of healing the soul. If you found this video entertaining, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more light-hearted content. Share your funny breakup stories or ideas in the comments below, and let's spread the laughter together. Stay strong, keep laughing, and remember that your happiness is always worth pursuing. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.